football team, and it was as its finals. He put his best to the games and finally scored a goal which led his team to win, and their team won. And also he was rewarded by the organizers, as well as he was also praised by the college management, and by through his outstanding performance he was also selected as the for the inter-university championship, and he was happy with the his performance. Thank you.
Friends, from the story shown in the story shown to us, what I perceived is there are total 7 characters in the story, and all are male. And the scenario is like they are playing a football tournament, and they are in the same school, and their moods are seem to be positive. And the central character of my story is Anu, who is a young boy, and the young boy of their age of 14, and he's the captain of the team. And from childhood, he was passionate about football, and along with the football, he was brilliant in studies. Once the authorities of the college decided to organize a football match inside their college during summer vacation, and the other teams of the other colleges were invited to their school. And Anup didn't give up, and he just show his bravery and influence his group, and just perform to goal well, and just just increase their goals against their team, and at last they win the match. So by the bravery, so according to the bravery, the staffs of the college give them bravery award and appreciated for their work. Thank you.
Friends, first let's discuss on why the football tournament has been organized.
Yeah, obviously.
And he slips from the ball so that
yeah, that might not be a slip, that might not be
and he scores the goal.
Yes,
And
we need final tournament. The motto of the football tournament is why it needs to be organized. First, we need to decide on why the football tournament is organized. So, as all of you let's take as a tournament of colleges between inter colleges, but they need to come to why the particular football tournament is organized. As test number 65 said that it is been organized for increasing the communication. We can take that as a major criteria.
It can be also a friendly match.
assume that
This is Santosh Trophy.
As stated by number 26. It should be a see the tournament is big enough, we can assume that the two members of the team are just like the school boys. So let's take this tournament as a tournament between the two school.
Why can't it be more?
Actually looking like a school student, so it can be a match between two schools.
Yes, the way how we make a short and makes a great player, right? So let's make it a college tournament, inter-college tournament.
This match as a friendly match. Don't say as first of all, then make it a friendly match.
Like the players, the winners of the team will be winning. The award will be given to the social welfare. We'll make it like that.
We can even add.
We can make it as a friendly match also.
Some charity will be given. The award will be given to charity something.
It's a good tournament only because he is using some bicycle.
Yeah, that's what.
That is
Bicycle kicking can be in front of the goal. It can't be away from the goal.
Who said?
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
it-
yeah,
There are many things.
And it's a corner line. How can
Yeah,
you-
yeah.
In the picture we have seen, in the picture,
It's not a picture.
Just about it is a corner line.
He post under the post. If he can hit the goal easily,
If
bicycle.
the ball is going to be
And-
out ball.
It's like the goalkeeper. We have seen the picture, right? The goalkeeper is doing a jump. So like in automatic
It can be a big tournament only because in small tournaments, small kids and cannot play bicycles or
Even they
such a-
cannot
It
kick
can
the
be taken
stand.
as
Yes, we
a-
can
They
bicycle
can
that.
kick the
Yeah,
ball.
we can
They
bicycle
can
that.
bicycle kicks can be done by only
Chess
people.
26, I do really agree with you. I think that this is a big tournament organized and which is for social affairs, like the whatever the.
So the award can be published
Yeah,
in the second
yeah,
page.
yeah.
So
So-
that we can
Yeah.
come to one
We can
conclusion
also
and
tell
give
that
it a good structure of a story.
people who are playing are quite experienced, so that chances of them
And-
being
yes,
teasers are
yes,
pretty
yes,
low.
I
But that improves other people to get attracted with the football, so that other people, the new nations or the new people or the new child who
Younger
have
generation can
they can be
So
implemented.
let's
They
come
can be
Let's come to practice. Let's come to a discussion. It's a tournament going on. It's a tournament going on.
So
So social
the
affairs.
two members
So it's
of
a
the
tournament.
team.
It could be a charity match.
A
It
lot
could be
of
a
for some affairs.
professional players
Yeah.
for some social welfare.
Social affairs, whatever the price or whatever they are, the
Yeah,
fees
it
collected.
can be a
that will
friendly match for the social welfare with professional players and it can
Even
it
our
can be
country
In the
has
final, in the final, that guy has been scored as a great player for the
Okay,
side.
good discussion. Please choose a group leader who can give us the
Friends, can I
story.
conclude with this? Thank you, friends, for giving me the opportunity.
Go behind. Now he's speaking.
Thank you, friends, for giving the opportunity to conclude the story. As our group concluded.
Correct, your aim is to correct. Your visions first. Now you draw the attention of us towards you. Wish first.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. As we discussed, as our group discussed, we saw 7 members in the screen, where some were opponents and some were of opponent team, who were being, the particular tournament was being played for a particular social cause, and the award which has been allocated for the winning team will be provided to the social, will be invested in the social activities. And one more thing is the particular tournament which was organized is for inter-college people. We have been there has been some promotion for the football match also, wherein which the media has been told that to public this particular football match has been organized so that the younger generation get attracted to the football more. Currently there are not been much football team players in our country, so that other younger generation can be attracted to the football and they can invest their time in playing the football as well. And there are much being stunt also been recognized in the screen. So we also states that there can be college people who can actively participate in football team, and they can show their physical strength and stunts so that they can be attracted. And the person in the captain, he got awarded the sportive award, means the stunt award. He's been awarded as a stylish award, with the stylish award. So hence we conclude that this is a tournament which was played for the social awareness, wherein which the award money has been invested in the social cause. Thank you.
Okay, we'll get back. Please silent.